Hi, dear. My name is Anisur Rahman. I am a social media specialist with extensive experience managing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google's, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. My expertise lies in introducing brand to the global market by increasing visibility, driving traffic, and building a strong online presence. Why choose me? Proven experience in boosting brand recognition, commitment to client satisfaction, building a long-term relationship, quick and efficient resolution of post-project challenges. I am dedicated to delivering exceptional result and ensuring your brand reaches its full potential. I will be ready to solve any post project problems and try to solve them quickly. Let's collaborate and take your brands to new heights. Best wishes. Bye.